Hey, Dr. Medicine, you left your door open. Dr. Medicine? Doc? Uh-oh. Dr. Medicine is missing.
Do the incredible shuffle, hey.
Captain Incredible!
That's my line!
Oh.
Yeah, you ruined the moment. What is it?
Dr. Medicine is missing.
Gee, what a shame!
And so you see, that's why you possibly cannot exist.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Of course. I have already proven myself that I am the genius. Always have been, always will be. Well, I have gathered myself together now. Looks like I don't need to use my imagination anymore. You may go away.
Ah, but that's where you're wrong, my white-haired hostage. That's where you're wrong.
Oh, no. I'm never wrong. How could I be? I'm the genius. Graduates of Genius College, like myself, are never wrong.
But this time, you are wrong.
Oh, I never knew my imagination could be so annoying.
Annoying?
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm really going to destroy you.
Oh, this is so much fun. Yes, destroy me, Mr. Shadow Puppet. I really must do this more often. This is so relaxing. I've never had so much fun.